Let us see the final type of data structures, which is a data frame. A data frame is a two-dimensional data structure in R. It is a special case of a list which has each component of equal length. So in list, when we work with list, so our each and every component were of different lengths, but in data frame each and every component is of same length. And also in data frame you can use various types. You can either pass logical, you can either pass numerical, factor, all in one single data frame. And data frame is used widely, and all our data sets will be of the data frame type only. So first we'll create a data frame from normal vectors. So let's create. So these are the different type of metals. So our first vector will be weights. Let's do control enter. So make sure right now this is of size 5, so we will also put the other data in terms of 5 elements only. Price C, weights and prices are done. I just want to make sure which type of metal it is. Types C. Okay, make sure you use the double quotes while passing the string. So it's one of them is gold, another is gem, another is silver, another is gem. Okay, I just passing to another one be gold. Control enter. Now it's mean treasure. To create a data frame, to pass the function data dot frame, I want to pass weights, then price, then types. Let's create a data frame. So treasure is created. You can just print treasure, weights, price, and types. If you want to see a treasure, so you can just see over here. So weights is numeric, price is numeric, and types is in terms of factors. So whenever you pass a character vector and create it into a data frame, so it will automatically be converted into a factor. Let's check the class of treasure. It's a data frame. Even you can see the class over here also, and the space is 1560 bytes. You can also use, if you don't want to go through this particular method, you can also view your data frame using capital VIEW and do treasure. This will be printed. Just save your work.